The first relation is midpoint. The point moved and placed on the middle of line and fixed. The next is concentric. First change the diameter value of two circles and run this relation and see the changes to the entities. By dragging the endpoint of the line, the length of the line can be changed. And also this angle is changeable. Finish it in front plane. Click on the line that appear their relations. This is a 3D sketch. Curves on the surface. Change the value of offset as is possible. As you see, the shape of the spline exactly similar to surface.
See the shape of your extruded model. That's very important notice. OK. The next is offset from surface. Choose another surface and determine a value. For example, change the value to 10 mm. If you have a sketch draw like this, with help of contours option in Extrude Command, then accept all of the default option in the command, and click OK to do it. You can see the changes of 3D models, and in the path option select the spline sketch. Your preview 3D model is ready and shown in yellow transparency color. OK. Good. In Guide Curve tab, select the arc sketch and you can see the changes on your 3D model. Select the path. OK. Select the guide curve. And OK. Try it more and more. The shape of model is smoothly more again. And choose these spline as center line curve. Now, the preview of your 3D model is appeared. And select this curve as guide curve. Now, you can see the model. And OK the command.
Change the profile type to conic radius. And change the value of conic radius by clicking their arrows of its option. And change them separate. For example, the first is 20. Second is 50. And then, first select the Keep Etch. And OK. And the second point is 30. Type the values. And see their changes on your model. Change the symmetric type to asymmetric. And change the values again by clicking on the arrows up and down to see the preview of model. Pink faces that drafted and yellow faces is straight. You can click on reverse direction and again see the preview. You can select your hole type. For example, counterbore, countersink, hole. Then OK. Now you can see the rib in this type. Select the face that you want to dome it. In the Distance tab, you can determine the value of dome height. Try it and practice other options more and more. Then, edit feature the deform and in the deform type choose the curve to curve. In the initial curve box, select this edge from your cube and in the target curve box, select this curve that drawn before, then you can move the compass by drag on arrows. And then your bending is updated. Change the location of compass more and more.
In the Tools menu, run the Equation command. The Equation dialog box is appeared. Click on the white empty box below the equations. Then, you can change the value of angle icon to determine the angle of rotation. Change it by click on its arrow. As you see, the new plane is created on the curve and coincident to the point. For example, click on the arc edge. First type is distance. Change the value of distance to move target point on the edge and placed on your intended distance. Increase the number of instances. And change the value of distance to 150 millimeters. And increase the number of instances. Then you can see their changes. Change the angle to 180 degrees. And again change the number of instances. As you see, the patterns is created on your desired points. And select your body. In the number of instances, increase it by this arrows. In the spacing, change the value of it by click on its arrows. Material inside, material outside, bend outside, bend from virtual sharp, and tangent to bend. The next command is hem. Run the command, and select the fix face. Jog shape is created. Change the value of jog offset. By default is blind. And see the model. And faces to match, select the other face. In the view orientation, select the best position. And select the 3-corner type. And check it out. OK. Exit from sketch environment and run the Lofted Bend command. In the profile blue box, select the profiles. And preview of your model is appeared. In the faceting options, by default is chord tolerant.
Then do the mate command again. And make coincident the side planes of 2 component. To complete this mate. OK, you can see the movement of float component in the fixed one. For example, type 30 millimeters. And the last is minimum value. For example, type 1 millimeter. OK. Now finish the command. And move the float component. To see their movement limited distance. See the movement of 2 components. And choose this planar faces. From components. To finish this operation. OK the mate command. And then move the float component to the path of fix component. And in the cam follower box, select the bottom planar face of green cylinder. OK. The mate finished and complete. Check its movement and OK. And repeat this one to other shaft. And OK the command. And finish it. Now rotate the below shaft. And see the power transmission. Test it more and more.
Now the model finished.
Shaded with edges. And shaded. Test it all to see the changes on your drawing view 1. Select the vertical. In the graphic area, click on the center point of circle. And click. And OK. Move the mouse cursor to fix the position of section view. Click to fix it. Try it more and more. And practice again and again.
Extrude Cut Command. Use the Loft command to create this model. Make concentric mate for this components. Use the Extrude Boss/Base command to create a 3D model.
OK, the Ballon command to complete this. Click on the part number 1 hatch. In the left, uncheck the material crosshatch box. Very good. In the View Layout tab, click on Broken Out section. Check the depth field to 10 mm. And check the preview box to see it. And OK.
www.zerotocad.com